Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to find a photo. Open Photos and tap Search. If iOS asks to analyze or optimize, allow it so results improve over time. Type a clear keyword like a person's name, a city, or an object such as beach. Once done, glance at suggested categories and faces that appear under the search bar. You'll save time by starting with one precise term rather than many. This helps photos return focused matches quickly. Now refine results. Tap a suggested face, place, or object shown beneath the bar to filter instantly. You can add a date or month after a keyword, for example, Beach June 2021, to shrink the set. If you need more precision, switch to albums and pick a specific album, or use the map view to filter by place. Make sure to try plural and singular forms. Photos sometimes recognizes one but not the other, and that change can reveal missing. Finish by scanning results and opening images. Use the share button to save or tag people so future searches improve. If you don't see expected photos, check Settings Photos to confirm iCloud Photos is on and that the device finished syncing. A poor connection delays indexing. If suggestions or faces aren't showing, make sure iOS is updated, then force close Photos and restart your phone. This often triggers reindexing. If all else fails, sign out and back into iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.